DuPont innovation lowers LCOE by increasing cell efficiencies and system lifetime while reducing total system cost. Materials matter.
That is, for me, the show of industry.
Welcome to this week's PV Tech Newscast. I am Lucy Woods. The headlines this week. US solar capacity to total 50 gigawatts by the end of 2016, says Deutsche Bank. Suntech prepares for asset sales and a major investor takeover. And Sharp's module assembly plant in the UK nears full capacity. Deutsche Bank has predicted there will be nearly 50 gigawatts of installed solar capacity in the US by 2017, with 20 to 30 gigawatts of installed distributed generation expected to be one of the key drivers for growth. According to MPD SolarBuzz, the installed capacity in the US as of July 2013 was 10 gigawatts. The report also predicted a rush of installations ahead of an expected two-thirds reduction in the investment tax credit, which will take place in 2016. The report also asserts that grid parity has already been attained in 10 US states and 47 states by 2016. The installed capacity of utility-scale solar power in the US has passed the 3 gigawatt milestone, according to solar project tracking firm Wikisolar. China reached the 3 gigawatt mark in June. Both the US and China have surpassed the total installed in Germany, which stood at 2.95 gigawatts. Wikisolar defines utility-scale solar as a PV power plant above 10 megawatts in size. The firm is now considering altering the definition to include plants over the 5 megawatt size. Global shipments of inverters fell by 5% in the second quarter of 2013 compared to the same period last year. This is the first drop in 7 successive quarters, according to the latest data from IHS. PV inverter shipments fell to 8.3 gigawatts in the second quarter of 2013 compared to 8.7 gigawatts in the second quarter of 2012, with IHS blaming the drop on a fall in demand in Europe. EMEA shipments fell 40% in the first half of 2013, more than offsetting growth in other regions, while inverter shipments to China jumped by 174% in the second quarter. Distressed capital management firms Clearwater Capital Partners and Spinnaker Capital are working with Suntech Power Holdings to prepare a major restructuring plan for the ailing PV module manufacturer. This includes downsizing through asset sales and a recapitalisation that could mean a majority share takeover by as yet unknown investors. The company said in a statement that a recapitalisation plan would be implemented immediately. This would depend on a new strategic investor providing the capital via a debt-to-equity swap to initialise the restructuring plan. Suntech said they expected to initiate an agreement with an unidentified investor or investors in the coming weeks. And finally this week, Sharp's European PV module manufacturing operations, based in Wrexham in the UK, are running at near full nameplate capacity of 400 megawatts, due to demand across Europe in the residential market, according to the company. The announcement is in stark contrast to Sharp's decision only a year ago to consolidate its European sales and marketing operations from Germany to London. Local news reports at the time suggested the Wrexham plant was uncompetitive and would be laying off workers due to weak demand. The announcement that the plant is running at near full capacity is the first public statement the European operation of the company has announced in over 12 months. Well, that's it from the PV Tech News team and me this week. Keep up with the latest daily news on our website and on Twitter. Thanks for watching.